The sign on the house says happy home, but life inside is anything but. Juana is a widow living here in the Philippines with her daughter. She can barely see, while her daughter is deaf and has an intellectual disability. She weaves baskets to earn a meager income that barely sustains them. An old family photo shows the days Juana once shared with her husband. After his death, she lost both her partner and her hope. Years ago, a typhoon left their house badly damaged, with crumbling walls and gaping holes. Tzu Chi volunteers stepped in to repair it, thanks to a neighbor who was also part of the foundation.
Sawa pa ka nang nain problema ko damo kay labhay na magkabukan da magunsa man ko nga damo po koy pares ay ang mga anak po da na po ilang pamilya. Salamat to dako nga nani nan siya. Salamat sa Tzu Chi Foundation ng Master Cheng Yen.
Salamat dahil may dako ya mo taon sa Ginoo sa may mahimo na mo nga wa mamami kabaos. Salamat sa Tzu Chi Foundation.
At mealtimes, their neighbor also cooks and delivers food to Juana and her daughter. Though their future is uncertain and their struggles far from over, the kindness of others has rekindled light and hope in their lives. Dai TV reports.